Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixTech. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to re-download or download your purchased Nintendo Switch game. So you may have bought this from the Nintendo eShop, so we can go here and select this. Then I'm going to go to a profile, and this will load back and forth. Once it gets done, we want to go to the upper right and go to our icon. So let's select it with A. Then we can go to re-download. So once we buy the game, it should be added to this list. You can check the re-download status on the home screen. So it should be under here now. So we can go to like Warframe. So I'm going to select Warframe, and then I'm going to download that. Then I'm going to go home screen here, and we can see Warframe's located right here. So Warframe is a fun game. I like playing that one a lot. So if you purchase something, just go to the re-download section. You can also access it by going to All Software. Scroll on down, re-download software. And then it will bring you to the same page. But if you ever delete it, do this as well. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech up videos coming up next on YourSixTech.